Good morning students and welcome to your GK class. Now this class is particularly about how you will give your paper, what kind of paper could be there for your GK in the half yearly, how you need to attempt the answers and what kind of questions could be there. So it's very important for you all to watch this video, and in case you are having any query related to the video, just message me. Now the paper would be divided into two sections, section A and section B, and both the section would be of 16 marks. Sorry, there would be three sections, and the first section it will not be of 16 marks. Section 1 and section 2 will be of 16 marks, and the remaining marks would be there for section 3. Section A will be would be having objective questions, that is fill in the blank, true and false, match the following. So everything would be just from your book itself, nothing would be outside the book. Like here I am just giving an example. Suppose this question is there, a theory which explains an explosive event which marked the origin of the universe dash. So it is Big Bang. This can be in form of fill in the blank. It can be in form of true and false also. So I can write it like this also, a theory which explains an explosive event which marked the origin of universe is Big Bang. Write true or false. So this can be in this way also. It can be for match the following also. Column A I can write a theory which explains an explosive event which marked the origin of universe, and in column B I can write fill in the blank, I can write Big Bang, and you need to search it and you need to match it. So in short I want to tell you that the questions that are there in your book would be in form of objective also as they are in the book, and it can be little bit twisted, but nothing would be outside your syllabus. So kindly read the chapters or the pages that are there for the syllabus. Next, there would be questions related to identify the pictures maybe, and if they are there, then you have to the pictures are there in the book itself. All the pages which contain the images in which you need to identify, you need to go through those pages. Let me give some example. Here you have Indian monuments and then temples of India. Pages that is flying high, where you have to identify the flags of different country. Then you have great structures around the world. Pages are there, whatever pictures, questions, pages are there where you have to identify images from them can be there where you need to identify and write the answer. But it's not like that you have to just identify. It can be there that at some part of the paper, it can be there. Suppose I have given you, I have written Siddhivinayak is in Siddhivinayak is in Mumbai. It like just a second. The question can ask you like in Mumbai, Siddhivinayak is in dash that lies in Mumbai. So you have to fill Maharashtra. I am just giving an example. Siddhivinayak lies in dash state in Mumbai. The question would be like this. So you have to write Siddhivinayak is in Maharashtra, lies in Maharashtra in Mumbai. What I mean to say is that everything is there from the book itself. The question, if there are images, you need to remember the images and the related content related to and the content related to the image. Like if I take example of Siddhivinayak, then Siddhivinayak, this image shows a picture of Siddhivinayak. It's written Siddhivinayak Mumbai and Maharashtra. That means you need to remember Siddhivinayak Mumbai Maharashtra. In the same way, you need to remember all these, whatever are there, okay, in both the temple, both the pages, not only both the pages, all the pages where you have the images and from the in which you need to identify the images, where you need to identify the images. It can be there if a question can be formed in such a way as I gave you example, that the sun temple, let me take the next example, the sun temple in Konark is in dash state. So you will write down the sun temple in Konark is in Odisha. So this would be the form of question. Now I have told you what kind of objective would be there. I have told you what kind of questions could be there from the images. Now let's move to the next part, that is section C. There can be question identify me. It's very easy, you can easily do that. If I take the example of identify me, suppose if this kind of question is there, identify me, then suppose the first the question says the heading is identify me or write answer in one word, and the question says the founder of Khilji dynasty is dash. That means you have just to write the answer, Jalaluddin Firoz Khilji. Okay, that this means that you merely need to write the answer, you don't need to write entire sentence. If the question says identify me or answer in one word, this is sufficient. Again I am repeating it. If this question, if there is a heading identify me or answer in one word, and the question says, this is just an example, the question says the founder of Khilji dynasty dash or is, or I am the founder of Khilji dynasty, so you have to write the name, that's it. Now let's move to the next portion, that is the last portion of the paper, section C. Now let's move to the last section of the paper, that will be section C, which will contain little long answers. They would not be very long. What I have done in the paper, I have combined two questions to form one question. Means I have combined two parts of a question to combine one portion. Let me take an example. Just a second. Let me take the example of the first one. The symbol of, what is the symbol of Air India? Take this will be the first part of the question. The second part of the question will say, what is the name of the helicopter service in India that, what is just let me frame a question, just a second. The question could be here, that what is the symbol of Air India and who operates the helicopter service in India? Okay, so it says, what is the, now listen the question, it says what is the symbol of Air India and who operates the helicopter service in India? So you will write down the answer, that the symbol of Air India is Maharaja and the helicopter service in India are operated by Pawan Hans. So this is the way you have to answer the long answers. Only this much long is the answer. The long answers are not much long. They just contain simple answer that you need to write it down. Let me give you one more example. Let me give another example. Now suppose the question says, what is the name of highest civilian award conferred on an individual in India? So you this is the first part of the question, and the second part of the question can be, what is the name of the award given by Indian government for world peace? So you have to write like this, that the highest civilian award conferred on an individual in India is Bharat Ratna and the award given by an Indian government for world peace is Jawaharlal Nehru Award. The paper is really very easy, don't worry about that. Just the question can be little tricky, but everything would be entirely from your book, nothing would be outside the syllabus. You don't need to copy the question, you just need to copy the heading and then write the answer. Let me show you the example of that also. Now suppose this is your GK paper and your first section is section, the first section is section A. Okay, so this is how you will do the write the paper. You will write down the section, underline the heading. Headings would be in black and rest will be in blue. You know how to write. You are much grown up for all this thing. Okay, you will write like this only, fill in the blank. The heading would be like fill in the blank. You will write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this, in this way. You will never copy down the question. You will just write down the answers. In the same way, for match the following, you will write down the correct answer. Instead of writing column A and column B and then drawing line, you will just write down the correct answer. Let me show example for that also. Suppose this is the question in match the following. So you will not draw the lines. You will not do like this as you all always do. Just let me do. You will not do this. This is the wrong way. I will just not accept it. What you need to do is, you will write down the heading match the following. You will write down the match the following. Correct serial number will be copied. 1. The answer for 1 is Maharashtra. For B, answer is Odisha. So this is the way you have to give the answer for match the following. Rest everything is clear. I hope everything is clear to you all with the help of this video. In case you are having any query, just message me. Kindly message me and wait for me to revert. Prepare yourself very nicely and I expect a good paper from you all. Have a good day and best of luck.